Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn measuring length together step by step. How tall are you? How far is school? We measure length using centimeters, meters, and kilometers and learn to convert between them. 1 meter is 100 centimeters and 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. We use centimeters for small things and kilometers for long distances. To change meters to centimeters, multiply by 100, kilometers to meters by 1,000. Always convert to the same unit before adding. 3 meters 50 centimeters in centimeters is 3 times 100 plus 50, 350 centimeters. To recap, a meter is 100 centimeters, a kilometer 1,000 meters. Convert to one unit before adding or comparing. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.